5 crushing arguments against globe Earth theory by Zetetic Flat Earth. Number 1. The Earth doesn't spin 1000 miles per hour and doesn't travel around the Sun 67,000 miles per hour. We don't feel any movement whatsoever. And this is the argument number 1 against imaginary globe Earth theory. Why? Because, first of all, air doesn't stick to a moving object, like we are being told that the atmosphere layer magically sticks to the ground. The air goes around any moving object. And secondly, the inside of a moving car is not any good comparison to a spinning globe Earth, since it is an enclosed environment situation, protected by windows. Number 2. Time-lapse videos of the stars around Polaris wouldn't be circular in motion, but straight instead if the Earth was speeding around the Sun 67,000 miles per hour, since the linear speed of assumed globe Earth around the Sun is supposedly 67 times greater than spinning on its axis. Number 3. Falling stars always fall down, from top to bottom, and if the Earth was a ball traveling 67,000 miles per hour through the vast and never-ending universe, our Milky Way galaxy and beyond, as our smart astrophysicists say, then the falling stars should also fall from bottom up and across from right to left and left to right and so forth. But this never happens in real life. Number 4. The hot climate around equator wouldn't be there where it is right now if the Earth was a globe tilted on its axis 23.5 degrees towards the Sun. The equator should be in totally different place if the Earth was indeed a globe. Number 5. Solar analemma fits perfectly only the flat Earth model, the Gleason's map, because only in the flat Earth model the Earth is much wider below the equator. Solar analemma has 2 loops. The north one is small, and the southern one is 5 times wider, exactly like it would appear on the flat Earth map. And according to the globe Earth theory, the Earth supposedly travels around the Sun on the oval path. And this is exactly how they always show it to us, an enormous oval path. But is it? Let's look closer at the official information. The radius to the left of the Sun is called aphelion, and it is 152 million kilometers long. And the radius to the right of the Sun is called perihelion, and it is 147 million kilometers long. So the difference between them is just 6 million kilometers, or 3%. So this alleged oval path is not really oval, but it's a circle. It's a circle. So how could ever solar analemma have one loop 5 times wider than the other one if the path of the globe Earth around the Sun is in fact circular and not oval? Do you see my point here? So this solar analemma could never happen on the globe Earth model. Never ever. Whatever they tell us is a science fiction, and they use 3D computer animation to persuade us to it. So how can it be science? In conclusion, these basic 5 things totally knock out the impossibility of the globe Earth theory. You don't need anything else. No flat horizon, no flat water, no measure of a non-existent curvature, and no NASA government conspiracy to analyze and understand those simple and basic 5 things.